In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rule to move emails to folder in Outlook. By the end, your inbox will tidy itself up by sending specific messages straight into the folder where they belong, saving you time and reducing clutter. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so Outlook can load your mailbox and folders. Once you're in, find an email from the sender you'd like to organize automatically. Right-click that message to open the context menu. Hover over Rules, then choose Create Rule. This quick option is a great way to build a rule based on a real example, and it helps Outlook pre-fill details like the sender for you. When the rule window opens, select the destination folder from the drop-down menu. Pick the folder where you want future emails that meet this rule to go. Choosing the right folder now helps keep related messages grouped consistently, so they're easier to review later. If you want to fine-tune what triggers the rule, look for the More Options link in the rule window. This opens additional settings so you can adjust the criteria and behavior to better match your workflow. For deeper customization, you can also build or edit rules from the main settings area. Open Settings, then navigate to Mail and choose Rules. This view shows all your existing rules in one place and is helpful when you want to modify, organize, or troubleshoot them. Click Add New Rule and give your rule a clear, descriptive name. A meaningful name will make it easy to identify later if you need to change or temporarily disable it. Next, select a condition. Common choices include From, which targets emails from a specific sender, or Subject Includes, which looks for certain keywords. Set the condition so it captures only the messages you want moved, keeping your rule precise and reliable. Now, choose an action. Select Move to, then pick your target folder. This tells Outlook exactly where to file messages that match the condition you just defined. Review your choices to confirm the rule will behave the way you expect. When everything looks right, click Save, and then click OK to finalize and close the dialog. That's it. From now on, new emails that meet your rule's conditions will automatically move into the folder you selected. If you ever need to tweak the rule, return to Mail, then Rules to adjust the name, condition, or action. With a few thoughtful rules, your inbox will stay organized without constant manual sorting.